Hello, welcome to Unit 4, a spectacular one-bedroom apartment located on 18th Street. This is a light-filled unit. It is very bright and clean. You walk in, and to the right is the bathroom. You have a tub and shower combined, newly renovated, nice shower head, and really nice lighting in this bathroom. Okay, walking down just a little bit is a coat closet. Nice big bedroom, lots of natural light, beautiful wood floors throughout. This bedroom does have a closet. Here's looking at the front, and here's the view from outside the bedroom. Okay, nice big closet here. You have a double bar. Walking back into the common space, you have a really beautiful living room, dining room combined. And it is open to a nice modern kitchen. There is gas heating, beautifully redone with stainless appliances, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, gas range, lots of cabinet and counter space as well. Walking down just a little bit behind the kitchen is your private laundry machines. These are stackable machines just for this unit. If you're interested in this place, please contact rentalsnsf.com. Thanks for looking.